Let's talk about the endocrine system. The endocrine system is one of the 11 organ systems of the human body, and it's made up of glands, tissues, and cells that are scattered throughout the body and produce something called hormones. A hormone is a messenger molecule that is produced by a specific cell of a gland or other endocrine tissues, and it travels in the blood to a specific target cell, where it will then cause that target cell to do something. And so when that hormone binds to the target cell, a specific action will take place, such as muscle growth, digestion, reproduction, glucose regulation, water balance, cellular metabolism, stress response, calcium regulation, body defenses, and other processes. Anatomically speaking, hormone-producing cells can be located in purely endocrine structures like the pineal gland, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid glands, and adrenal glands. So when we say that they are purely endocrine, we mean that they have no other function in the body other than to produce specific hormones, and they are exclusively part of the endocrine system. Other important endocrine organs are the hypothalamus, the thymus, the pancreas, and the gonads. These organs function in other organ systems. So they're not purely endocrine. However, they do play a significant role in the endocrine system. Recall from our discussion on the brain, the hypothalamus plays a role in regulating the autonomic nervous system, body temperature, thirst. The thymus is important in the maturation of T cells, which is part of the lymphatic system. The pancreas plays a role in the digestive system, and the gonads are primary organs of the reproductive system. However, they do have an endocrine role as well. There are also endocrine cells located in the skin, heart, kidneys, and GI tract. Recall from our discussion on the integumentary system that the skin is involved with the synthesis of vitamin D. There are cells in the heart that produce a hormone regulating blood pressure. There are cells in the kidneys that produce a hormone that regulates sodium reabsorption, which leads to the regulation of blood pressure. And in the GI tract, there are endocrine cells that produce a hormone that regulates digestion. The endocrine system and the nervous system have a lot in common and can be compared. They both control activities. However, the way that they do it is different. While the nervous system is a wired electrical system, the endocrine system is wireless. It utilizes the cardiovascular system to transport its hormone. The nervous system produces rapid and brief responses, whereas the endocrine system produces slow and long-lasting responses. In the nervous system, there is an anatomic relationship between the nerve cell and its target. However, in the endocrine system, there is no anatomic relationship. Rather, the hormone is produced by a specific cell. It's transported by the blood to a target cell that may be very far away. The nervous system uses neurotransmitters, and the endocrine system uses hormones. The nervous system controls rapid and precise activities, like the contraction of the rectus femoris or the accommodation of the lens. The endocrine system, however, controls activities of long duration, like metabolism, glucose regulation, and reproduction. Think of the endocrine system as old-fashioned snail mail, where you have to write a letter, put it in an envelope, put a stamp on it, put it in a mailbox, then someone transports that letter far away to a target, your friend, your family, where they then have to unwrap that letter and read it. And the nervous system, on the other hand, is like email. It's immediate. You write your letter and you press send, and the target receives it immediately.